Un tal Clemen Puro de los Clemen de Kentucky. Edad 17 meses.
And we know how the job is done. So, yeah.
And that's part of it. Miguel also co-directed your motorcycle scene.
Yes.
Kumusta? Kumusta siyang director? Alam natin lahat ang pangarap ni Miguel maging isang director.
Yes.
And I really really
Yes, and si Direk Rico knows also. That's why sabi niya, sige nga, ikaw yung mag-direct nitong susunod na
So paano niya ginawa?
ano gusto niya mangyari with how the drone is gonna move.